Did you know that push-ups are one of the most effective bodyweight exercises for building upper body strength at home? Indeed, push-ups are a tried-and-true classic, offering a full-body workout that targets a multitude of muscle groups, all without needing a single piece of gym equipment. Now, you might be thinking, push-ups? I've done those before. But here's the real question. Are you doing them correctly? It's not as simple as dropping down and pushing up. Proper form is crucial to prevent injuries and maximize results. It's all about body alignment, hand position, and controlled, steady breathing. When done right, push-ups can be an incredibly effective part of your home workout routine, transforming not just your arms and chest, but your core strength and overall fitness levels too. So if you're ready to master the art of push-ups, keep watching. Let's dive into how to do push-ups correctly at home for beginners. Let's examine closely common mistakes beginners often make and how to correct them for the perfect push-up. Before we dive into how to do push-ups correctly, let's address some common mistakes that beginners often make. First, let's talk about body alignment. A common mistake is sagging the hips or sticking the butt up in the air. A proper push-up is like a moving plank. Your body should form a straight line from your head to your heels. If your body alignment is off, you're not only reducing the effectiveness of the workout, but you're also risking injury, especially to your lower back. Then, there's the matter of hand placement. Many beginners place their hands too wide or too close together, which can lead to shoulder or wrist strain. Your hands should be slightly wider than shoulder width apart, and your elbows should form a 45-degree angle with your body in the down position. This allows for a full range of motion and engages the right muscles without causing unnecessary strain. Breathing is another aspect where many go wrong. Believe it or not, some people hold their breath during push-ups. This can cause a spike in blood pressure and decreases the overall efficiency of your workout. Remember, you should inhale as you lower your body and exhale as you push yourself back up. Another common blunder is not going low enough. If you're just bending your elbows slightly, you're not doing a push-up. You're doing it's not a push-up. You should aim to lower your body until your chest almost touches the floor. This ensures that you're working those muscles to their full potential. Lastly, let's talk about speed. Many beginners rush through their push-ups in an attempt to crank out as many as they can. But this isn't a race. Slow and steady wins the day. A slower pace allows for better muscle engagement and reduces the risk of injury. Now that we know what not to do, let's move on to how to do push-ups correctly. The key to a successful push-up lies in the form. The correct form for push-ups is a combination of body alignment, hand position, and breathing technique. Each of these elements plays a crucial role in engaging the right muscles and ensuring you reap the full benefits of this exercise. First, let's talk about body alignment. When you're in the starting position, your body should form a straight line from your head to your heels. This posture is often referred to as a plank position. Your feet should be together or slightly apart, and your gaze should be directed towards the floor to keep your neck neutral. Next is hand position. Your hands should be shoulder width apart on the floor, directly under your shoulders. The fingers should be spread wide, providing a stable base of support. The positioning of your hands can also influence which muscles are targeted. A wider hand placement emphasizes the chest, while a narrower placement focuses more on the triceps. Your elbows should bend as you lower your body, but they shouldn't flare out to the sides. Aim to keep them at about a 45-degree angle from your body. This might feel more challenging, but it's safer for your shoulders and engages more muscle groups. Now let's move on to the breathing technique. This might seem minor, but it's actually very important. As you lower your body, take a deep breath in. As you push your body back up, breathe out. This might feel counterintuitive at first, but it helps to engage your core and maintain control during the exercise. Finally, a push-up is not just about the arms and chest. You should also be engaging your core and glutes the entire time. Think of it as a moving plank. This total body engagement will help to keep your body in the correct alignment and maximize the effectiveness of each push-up. Remember, practice makes perfect. So, don't be discouraged if you don't get it right the first time. Push-ups are a challenging exercise, but with proper form and consistent practice, you'll be able to build strength and improve your overall fitness. You might be wondering, why all this fuss about proper form? Well, let's break it down. Performing push-ups with correct form brings a multitude of benefits. Firstly, this simple yet powerful exercise targets multiple muscle groups simultaneously. It works your chest, arms, and with a special shout out to the core muscles that keep your body stable during the movement. So yes, push-ups can give you that well-defined physique you've been dreaming of. Moreover, push-ups are not just about strength. They also help enhance your overall fitness levels. They improve your balance, stability, and even agility. Plus, they don't just build muscle. Push-ups can also boost your cardiovascular system, since they require a certain level of heart-pumping effort. And let's not forget, correct form in push-ups means reduced risk of injury. It ensures your body is working in harmony and not against itself. So as you can see, a little effort in mastering the right form can go a long way. We've covered a lot in this video: how to do push-ups correctly at home for beginners. We've learned that push-ups, when done correctly, are an incredibly effective exercise for building upper body strength. We've also delved into the common mistakes beginners often make, from incorrect body alignment to improper hand placement. But remember, understanding these mistakes is the first step towards correcting them. We then moved on to demonstrate the correct form for a push-up, emphasizing the importance of body alignment, hand position, and a steady breathing technique. By engaging the right muscles, you'll not only prevent injuries but also maximize results. Push-ups done right have immense benefits. They can help build strength in your chest, arms, and core, and significantly improve your overall fitness levels. But remember, consistency and proper form are paramount to see these results. Now it's your turn to how to do push-ups correctly at home for beginners. Try doing push-ups with the correct form at home. Don't forget to leave comments sharing your progress or any questions you might have. Remember, consistency is key, so keep practicing and you'll soon see the results.